Alright guys, hello guys, we're gonna be playing Monkey Labs Horror. Again, this is part 2, of course. We have to do a part 2. And with my friend Blue, he's just the smallest monkey I've ever seen. Alright. See you there.
I'm on my way, I'm on my way. I've got my lungs and that's a start, and I've got love inside my heart. I'm on my way. I may be tiny and alone, but I won't stop until I'm home. I'm on my way, I'm on my way. And though you hear my stomach rumble, I'll still make it back to you slow. I know I'm gonna find my grow. I've reached the top. My heart will fly with a number. I won't stop, give up, or stumble. Gumba!
Alright, you better not be slow for this car.
Shut up,
What I
you're
just
big,
said,
bro.
what?
I'm really...
That's what I love about the big thing.
I'm done. Bro, I need help. I need help. Help me. Help me, I'm meant to start. Ah! Scared me. You actually scared me. You become the same size as me. So it's fair.
Alright, come.
Ah!
Shit, run. Come on.
Yes! I made it.
You're
Alright,
okay.
I'm not gonna speed this part up.
Alright. To go for everything.
I'll go first. Left. To the right. To the left. To the right. Take it back now.
You're staying right here.
I don't think I like that. I don't think I like that.
5, 4.
You go, go. Dang it. Where the heck did he go? Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Why is it so loud? Where are you? I'm in the start. I died. But I got the first button.
Alright.
I didn't get the second button.
I got all of them.
What?
You're coming.
Oh.
Alright, go up.
Both of them are there.
I know where they all are, and including the exit.
I know where the exit is.
Wait, there's 2 layers inside of it.
Yep. 2 monsters.
What's this? I'm about to hit the world's biggest jump. Or skydive. Without a parachute. Still living.
Go.
You got the camera, boys?
Yep.
Love you, boys. No.
But that was actually pretty cool. It's actually funny.
No.
Love your voice.
Love you, boys. What?
The fact that you put your arms behind your head.
Alright,
Love your
let's go.
voice. Love your voice.
Alright, let's go.
Got any last words? Love your voice. Oh.
Alright, go on.
Oh my God, you scared me coming over here.
Why is he such a camper?
He's such
What,
a
you got something? Move!
You monkey, move!
Cam! No one wants you to Cam!
Oh.
What happened to my watch?
What happened to my watch? What the heck?
Now I can't tell what time it is. I have to do this every time. Oh, I didn't get the time. We a cock. What? I woke up like 10 minutes ago. Alright, come on. No! You're supposed to catch me! Oh.
Oh, haha. Right.
Alright, let's go.
Why is this game so scary?
Alright, get this one. No problem. Alright, perfect. Now come over here. Now
Left.
we've done 2. Take a right. Take another right. Get it. Come on, follow me. Last one. This one. Alright, now we go back to the exit. want to see something cool?
I already got the
shrink and
torches.
tiny thing? But follow me, follow me.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god.
Yeah, you can
That
just-
scared me.
I can
Oh
just
my
go on the
god.
board. I can just go on the board.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. That's the end of the video. Because we just beat Horror in Monkey Labs, of course. So, good boy.